everyone, myself Chanama Dharmai from 4th year BSc Nursing, Rajarashwari College of Nursing, Bengaluru. Someone has correctly told that if health is a gain, everything is a gain. Health is a wealth and nothing is supreme than what our health stands at a present moment. A healthy person, whether he is a rich or a poor, he can live a more happy and a peaceful life comparing to the rich person is having a diseased body. Nowadays, a new respiratory disease called COVID-19 was spreading across the world. COVID-19 was first identified during 2019 December Wuhan city of China. COVID-19 was it is spreading one person to the other persons, and it is mainly spreading through the close contacting with infected persons and respiratory droplets while sneezing, coughing, talking, and touching the other surface or object that has a virus on it, and then touching to the face, eyes, and a nose. COVID symptoms will be like a mild to severe illness. The symptoms will be like a fever, dry cough, nasal congestion, runny nose, and people may also get aches, pains, and diarrhea. Because of COVID-19, people are getting so many problems in their everyday life, as well as the students are suffering so many problems like network issues, practical issues, so on so. Based on this only, our 4th year students are presenting a video with a message for everyone, effects on COVID-19 and its prevention.
Oh God, exam is so near. I have to finish this fast.
Hey, have you finished this third unit?
Oh no dear, I have to finish it within today.
Yeah, sure. I will also study.
Hey guys, do you know COVID is reported in Bangalore? There is a chance to have a lockdown.
Is it true? Oh God, what is going to happen?
Don't worry, it's just a fever, right, Sarah?
No need of worry, Sarah. It's common case, yeah. Why not much panic?
Morning, students. Please be seated. How are you all? As we all know that coronavirus is spreading across the countries, and also we have many reported cases in our states too. As we all are in the medical field, we should not get panic. We have to focus on the ways to prevent the disease and also prevent the spreading of the disease. That is our main aim. As we all know that prevention is much better than cure, isn't it? Isn't it, students? Yes, it is. Yes, dear.
Ma'am, how can we prevent it?
Okay, that was a good question, by the way. Okay, she asked how to prevent the disease. Yes, of course we can prevent the disease. Okay, there are certain preventive measures which includes wearing mask, hand hygiene, we all know hand washing technique, and also we have to carry hand sanitizers. If you are feeling really sick, please isolate yourself, and also we have to consult the doctors. Please eat healthy food. Healthy food means we have to eat immunity boosters. You know which food will give immunity boosting? Yes, vitamin C, of course. We have to eat all type of vegetables and fruits, which is really good for boosting our immunity. We have to stay strong and reasonable. Let us not be the reason to spread the disease. Okay, students, any doubts? If you have any queries regarding this, please ask me. Okay, students, thank you.
Today we'll have so much fun.
We'll go to that restaurant also, okay?
Yeah, there's so good food. Oh my God, I'm so excited.
Hey girls, where are you going, huh? We are heading out. Why? That I got to know by seeing you. But why you girls are not wearing masks in this pandemic?
Why are you getting concerned about us as we are giving you money and time, right?
Money? It's not all about money, dears. Who will be take your responsibility if you get COVID?
Kids anymore. We can take care of ourselves, okay? And today we have put branded lipstick. What is the point of using mask?
Yeah, exactly. I have to upload photos in my Instagram. As our college is also closed due to COVID, it's so boring to stay in one room only.
What kind of silly girls you are? This holiday is not given for you doing all these activities and going outside. Rather than you should stay safe and make others safe. Arey Baba, if as a medical student, if you people are this much irresponsible, then who will be responsible for your future?
Leave it. We can take our own responsibility.
What kind of lady she is?
Yeah, we can go there.
Leave it. No issues. Today we'll have fun. Let's click photos. Nice photos. Okay, take my photo.
Take mine also, okay?
Yeah, okay.
Hey girls, at least you should wear masks.
Oh my gosh, so nice place. Let's click their photo,
Okay,
no?
okay.
Come fast.
You sit, I will sit here first.
Okay.
Dear students, as you all know, COVID-19 is spreading across the world. As like a preventive measure, the government of Karnataka has declared lockdown for the coming weeks. So hereby, students from each department are requested to go to native safely. Online classes will be taken regularly for each batch. Thank you.
As we all know, there are different kinds of difficulties we will face throughout the process of online education system. Let me introduce some of it. Network issues, overload of works, physical issues, disturbance from family, increasing communication gap, decreasing practical knowledge, increasing the number of leaves are some of it.
Hi everyone, good morning. This is Tinker Kausar Banu from 4th year BSc Nursing, Rajarashtra College of BSc Nursing, Bengaluru. I am going to explain about prevention. As we all knew that coronavirus is spreading throughout the world and we have knew the causes, symptoms of the COVID-19 and we have faced so many effects and struggles and consequences during the wave 1 and wave 2 phases, and there are so many hazards which are going to cause by COVID-19. It's time to prevent the COVID-19. Let's all stay together in our homes and break the chain.
Please wear mask while going out. Use sanitizer.
Maintain social distancing.
Wash hands.
Eat healthy food.
Stay home.
Stay hydrated.
Get vaccinated.
Work from home.
Self-quarantine. Not to shake hands.
We can prevent the coronavirus to avoid touching face and eyes. We can't touch our face and eyes or mouth during that corona time or that sneezing time. We should use hand sanitizer, hand wash. Then we can touch our face and eyes.
Yoga and exercise every day. Breathe fresh air and stay in healthy environment.
So hi guys, hope you enjoyed this video. This is actually about the effects and consequences of COVID-19 among students and its preventive measures. The health officials in the United States and all over the India are working hard to contain the spread of COVID-19 through public health measures such as social distancing, contact tracing, proper sanitation, travel restrictions, quarantine and others are some of it. All of you should wear a mask, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy.